Hello, good afternoon. Good, I guess evening. Hope everybody's been well today. Hope everybody had fun today. Uh Kind of a funky day, to say the least. We went back up there and came right back down. Kind of recurring theme this last week. We literally take a highs in Globex, open comes around, and we're just cooked. Today we at least took our high during New York, before we fully cooked down. I don't remember I don't think I was looking, but I think the news today was I don't know, price in hikes or some bullshit, I think is what I read. I don't fucking know, but obviously got cooked. Days like today are really why I love not trading New York, because if I was actively looking for a trade in this, I would have gotten cooked so many times. Just simple as that. I would be looking for all these reversals and all that jazz. But anyways, today's session aside, figured I'd start a little bit early, so I'm not rushing for an entry like I did yesterday, even though that worked out. I just clear everything off. I wanted to look to see if any of this stuff was relevant today, the levels we charted out, and what do you know? Look at that. I don't know what's up with this 947 level. I don't know, bro. Something's up there. That this level I think was charted out like 2 or 3 days ago, and has been such a reoccurring theme that I don't know, I don't get it. Because even look, like what is this? Um, I'm gonna keep that one, but I'm gonna remove these other two. Super interesting. Uh, super interesting. Okay. Anyways, uh, don't quite see it. We did get a crossover here. It's pretty big too. Crossover on the longer time frames too. Mm, crazy. Absolute nuker. I would love to get a hop back over. That'd be cool. Uh, okay. Anyways, what was I doing? Um, oh, that would be a cool. All these wick downs to this level are why I'm pointing this out. By the way, wick down here, bounced off, wick down, wick down, wick down. Little baby order block. Yeah, interesting. That might be a buy level if we close around here. Whatever. we're really oversold on the RSI, especially on the bigger time frames. So I'm kind of I'm hoping for a bullish play, obviously, but I think a buy at one of these levels is probably gonna be my play for tonight. Um, I'll get my points that I need before it, but I think the play is gonna be similar to yesterday. Uh, I think I'm gonna enter a trade at one of these levels. My take profit is gonna be before this 15 minute. I wholeheartedly think that we'll probably reject this 15 minute if we get it in Globex. Um, so my take profits, it's definitely gonna be before that. Uh, I think I think a buy here is gonna be pretty fi. Um, I hope I can get a buy at 750. I would love to keep it simple and just bounce off that level before we go anywhere crazy. But anyways, that's kind of my outlook for tonight. That's this is what I'm gonna be looking at. I don't think there's anything else that's really super worth watching. Um, but yeah, that's my outlook. I'll pick back up when I take a trade and all that jazz. You also be noticing I kind of changed up my setup of how I'm gonna have it record. Maybe this is a little bit better, a little bit easier to see my chart, maybe what I'm looking at. If not, let me know. And if there's any other suggestions or some shit that's like, hey, this might be better, let me know. Drop a comment or something. But I hope that this at least is easier to look at. That way you don't have to see fucking 60% dead space of my screen. So, anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit. Perfect. Cannot complain here. So as you guys saw, are open, little poppy, little exciting. Um, I didn't get the fills I was looking for, unfortunately. I was expecting a little bit more of a spread because of how much we went down and up today. But I did get a little opportunity there. We popped up, started to pull back a little bit. I was expecting us to pull back a little bit more, but then the momentum kind of kept going, and then I got in on that pullback candle, and voila. I wholeheartedly think we're gonna push above this 877, probably before Asia, to be honest. But fuck yeah, clean little trade there. I think I set my buy too. Is at the bottom of this wick. But anyways, it was a really good entry. It was a good trade. Unfortunately, I I tried to take a similar trade on my alphas, and guess who got stopped out right here on that candle? This guy. So unfortunate. But a good day. A good day. Like it's always a good day when you take a single trade and you're in and out on your Lucid accounts, especially when they need all the help they can get. We closed out the week. We managed to recover. Red on the week, but gotta do what you gotta do. So, anyways, I'll see you guys. Fuck Sunday. Good luck training this. Good luck tonight. Um, and yeah, dude, I wish you guys luck. I hope we get out of this range next week. I'm tired of this bullshit. This drop 200 points, go back up, and Globex drop 200. It's too much. I'm tired of it. But anyways, have a good night, guys. Subscribe, like, comment, follow on Twitter, everything. Show love. Appreciate you. Have a good night.